Hi there, in this video I'll be making an engraved hook board for dog leads using my homemade CNC router and a 60-degree V-bit. The project was designed using LibreCAD. I'm using 4 small coat hooks and an unknown wooden board from eBay. A 2-flute 60-degree carbide V router bit. Fixing down the wooden board using the clamps I made in a previous video. Creating the engraving using my homemade CNC machine. First, it makes the paw prints. And then the dog's name. It is cutting at a depth of 2 mm and a speed of 300 mm a minute. Lastly, it spot drills the hole positions for the screw holes. It completed the job in just less than 13 minutes. The finished engraving. It received a few cheeky coats of clear lacquer from a rattle can. The hooks are attached using screws. The finished project came out quite well, I think. But does it work? Of course it does. If you've made it this far, well done. Please like and subscribe and have a look at my website for further information on this and other projects. And I will catch you in my next video.